why grounding techniques matter.
Grounding techniques are simple exercises designed to help you reconnect with the present moment. When anxiety or stress hits, these methods can quickly calm your mind and body, shifting focus away from overwhelming emotions. Practicing grounding not only offers immediate relief, but also builds long-term resilience, making it easier to manage stress in everyday life.
The 5-4-3-2-1 senses exercise.
The 5-4-3-2-1 exercise uses your senses to ground you. Notice 5 things you can see, 4 you can touch, 3 you can hear, 2 you can smell, and 1 you can taste. This method distracts your mind from anxious thoughts and anchors you firmly in the present, helping restore a sense of calm in just a few moments.
Deep breathing for instant relief.
Deep breathing is a powerful tool to lower stress and anxiety fast. Try inhaling slowly through your nose, holding your breath for a few seconds, and then exhaling gently through your mouth. Repeat this process several times. Focusing on your breath soothes your nervous system and signals your body that it's safe to relax.
Physical grounding, move or hold something.
Engaging your body can quickly interrupt overwhelming feelings. Hold onto an object like a cool stone or textured fabric, or place your feet firmly on the ground and notice the sensations. Lightly squeezing a stress ball or stretching your arms can also shift your focus. These actions remind you of your physical presence, providing immediate comfort.
Creating a personalized grounding routine.
Not every grounding technique works for everyone. Try out a few exercises to find what suits you best. Practice them during calm moments so they're easier to access when stress arises. Keeping a short list of favorite grounding strategies can help you feel more prepared and confident when intense emotions surface.